This is my basic recipe for Ermine and American Buttercream. First, Ermine. Measure your milk and your flavor of choice, and I'll leave the ingredients in the description below. And then in a small pot, we'll measure our flour, granulated sugar, and salt. And for this, we'll be either using a medium to low heat as we whisk in our flour and sugar for about 1 minute, just to toast the flour. Then pour in our milk in about 5 intervals and keep whisking. We do not want any burnt bits. It may start to look liquidy in the beginning, but eventually it will thicken. And once it does, turn off the stove and let it cool. Spread onto a sheet tray or a bowl and cover it and let it refrigerate overnight. After a few hours, we'll cream our butter together and scoop in our flour mixture until it's all combined. Now, Ermine is soft, it's creamy, and it's not too sweet and reminds me of a soft served ice cream. Now this is how it looks when I piped it onto this mini cake, and I did this for a heat test. Yes, for Ermine and American Buttercream, I placed them in the sun to see how long they will last in the heat. So if you're interested in that video, I'll leave it in the description. But now, American Buttercream. Now this one is pretty easy to make. First we'll cream our butter and then sieve in our icing sugar, which sieving may be the hardest part of this buttercream. Once that's combined, we'll then add our flavoring of choice and milk of choice. Now, American Buttercream is sweeter than Ermine and it's easier to make. So I hope this has been helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a like and God bless.